Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest in health and wellness. Today, we're whipping up a berry brain booster smoothie, the perfect blend of flavors and nutrients to keep your mind sharp and your body energized. Let us dive into the ingredients and discover why this smoothie is a game changer for anyone looking to boost their cognitive function and overall well-being. 1 cup of mixed berries is a powerhouse of antioxidants, anthocyanins, and polyphenols that protect the brain and boost memory. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries not only add a delicious flavor, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. 1/2 cup of pomegranate seeds brings an extra punch of antioxidants, and research has shown that they may enhance brain function and memory. 1 small banana adds natural sweetness and potassium, which helps maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseeds provides a good amount of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health. Omega-3s support cognitive function and have been linked to improved memory and reduced risk of cognitive decline. 1 tablespoon of almond butter gives us protein and healthy fats to keep you full and satisfied. Plus, it contains vitamin E, which supports brain health and may help with memory and cognitive function. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk is a light and creamy base that adds a touch of sweetness without any added sugars. It's also a good source of vitamin E. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon not only adds a delicious, warm flavor twist, but also helps balance blood sugar levels and may enhance cognitive performance. Now, let's talk about why this smoothie is a must-try. First, it's incredibly nourishing. The combination of berries, pomegranate, flax seeds, and almond butter provides a nutrient-dense fuel for your body and brain. This smoothie is like a multivitamin in a glass. Second, it's naturally energizing. Say goodbye to that 2 p.m. slump. The natural sugars from the berries and banana provide a steady release of energy, keeping you feeling refreshed and focused all day long. Third, it's brain boosting. The antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids in this smoothie support optimal brain function, memory, and cognitive performance. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, smoothie will keep your mind sharp and ready to tackle any challenge. And fourth, it's delicious. We know you'll love the sweet berry flavor and creamy texture of this smoothie. It's the perfect way to start your day or refuel during a busy afternoon. At our company, we believe in the power of nature to heal and nourish our bodies. That's why we use only the highest quality ingredients in our products. Our Berry Brain Booster Smoothie is no exception. We source our berries from local farms that use sustainable and ethical practices. Our flax seeds are organic and non-GM. And our almond butter is made from California-grown almonds. When you choose our products, you can trust that you're getting the best nature has to offer. So what are you waiting for? Try our Berry Brain Booster Smoothie today and experience the difference it can make in your life. 1 sip and you're fueled for focus, clarity, and energy. It's the perfect smoothie for students, professionals, and creatives on the go. Give it a try and join the thousands of happy customers who have already boosted their brains with our delicious and nourishing smoothies. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more health and wellness tips.